What are we gonna do? Eat, 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 eat. And when are we gonna do it? From 12 to 8 p.m. because we do intermittent fasting. Good morning, everybody. I have clothes on, I promise. I'm not naked. Today is Wednesday. That means it's my weigh-in day. You're probably gonna be seeing this on Saturday though. So let's weigh in and get this day started. So last week I weighed 239.8 pounds. And when I stepped on the scale this morning, I weighed 239 pounds. So that means I lost 0.8 pounds this week.
Perfect.
I'm going to work out right now. If you guys didn't know, I started the Chloe Ting 4-week summer shred. I'm on day 10 right now. There's gonna be a whole video on that when I complete the whole thing. But someone mentioned in the comments that they wanted to do a challenge together, like as a group. If that's something that you guys would like to do, we could kind of like brainstorm a challenge. That'd be awesome if we could do it as a group. But you think about that, and I'm gonna get this workout done. Otherwise, it's just gonna be looming over my head like a dark cloud, and I'm just gonna dread it all day. So let's get it started.
Perfect.
The workout, you've done so well. Smash that thumbs up button with that strong arms of yours and leave a comment down below on how you...
Ugh, completely gross. I need a shower. I actually have to go into work today. I've been working at home for the past 2 months. So when we come back, we will eat because it's not 12 p.m. yet. Just got out of work. I only had to go in for a couple hours to get some stuff done that I couldn't get done at home. Now I'm at the grocery store because I realized that I didn't have any blue cheese crumbles, and I need blue cheese crumbles for my salad because I have concocted the perfect blend of salad ingredients. So we're gonna make sure we have it on hand, more and accurate what I eat in a day. Really quickly, I just wanted to address a 0.8 pound loss. Because if you're thinking to yourself, B, didn't you have like this plan to lose 2 pounds a week? Didn't you lose 1.6 pounds last week? And then only 0.8 pounds this week? And to that I say, calm your tits, Karen. Let me explain. So past me would have just kept cutting calories until I hit that 2 pound loss. But present me is older, is wiser, is figuring things out, and definitely Googling a lot more things. Because I was thinking to myself, okay, last week I lost 1.6, which was pretty close to the 2. And then this week, only 0.8. What changed? The food that I've been eating is relatively the same. I'm kind of like a mono eater. Like I eat a lot of the same thing over and over again until like I find a new thing and then I'm on to that. My diet's been pretty clean. However, that Chloe Ting challenge is no joke. Girl, I am working muscles that I didn't even know existed. Between that and finishing that 21-day challenge where I was walk jogging a mile a day, your girl is gaining some muscle. And I'm not sad about not losing 2 pounds. I feel tight. I'm just gonna hold on, keep my calories exactly the same that they've been. You know, if I don't lose 2 pounds a week, like I'm cool with it. I'm gaining muscle and I'm toning, so I'm not upset at all. Aside from gaining muscle, it could be inflammation just because like I am putting my body through quite a bit of stress, you know, water retention, anything like that. I'm not really like hung up on the number on the scale. I just want to like quickly mention that because especially when you go from completely sedentary to to like all of a sudden active, your body's going to be going through like some major changes in the muscle department. If you're just starting to exercise too and you notice the scale isn't going down as fast as you thought it would, like that might be why. And like that's not a bad thing. I'm not going to discourage it. I'm going to keep on feeding my body the way that I have been, getting as much protein in, nourish those newly born baby muscles that I am acquiring. I'm pretty hungry, so I'm going to go get these groceries and then we're going to get the first meal of the day down. So this is my scale. I actually weigh out all of my food. Today we're going to be making a sandwich and we're going to use one of these rice cakes as bread. I'm going to put on some avocado. I'm going to pepper it a little bit too much. I'm going to go in with this deli meat. Exactly 2 ounces. Add some veggies on there, some tomato. We're adding some onion, some orange bell pepper. And for our top bun, we're going to so eloquently put on a slap of spinach. Side that with a pickle. We're going to do these baked sour cream chips. I always weigh out my chips because you tend to get more, I noticed. You thought we were done? Oh no, we are coming in with the strawberries. And here is my pile of food. My package arrived. I ordered this Premier Protein sample pack. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to try out all the flavors like I did. I see people making these fancy coffee drinks with the caramel flavor all the time, but hold up. Wait a minute. Because then we come over to the vanilla flavor and guess what we're going to do with that? Girl, you know we're going to make an iced matcha latte. But yeah, so let's get to work. So I added just a little bit of water just to kind of like thin out the protein shake. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of the matcha powder to our water. Slide that vanilla Premier Protein on in there and blend. Oh, and then we just put some ice in a glass and pour it over. Okay, let's try this. It's really good. The blender whipped everything up and it gave it this foamy bit on top. I have to confess one of my guilty habits before like I started this whole health thing, also before the current global situation. I used to go to Starbucks every morning before work because I have a 1-hour commute, and I would get a grande green tea latte with 4 pumps of classic syrup, add whipped cream, and then like 2 breakfast sandwiches. Every single day. And girl, I did not get the low fat one. Like, you know, I got the croissant with the cheddar cheese. It was bad. Not only on my wallet, but on my waistline. For some reason in my head, I just equated like, okay, I have a grown-up job to let's go to Starbucks every morning. But yeah, I'm super happy with this alternative. It's a great pick-me-up. Like, look at you, green tea latte. Yes. It's dinner time, my dudes. Does anyone remember that Vine?
It is Wednesday,
No.
my dudes.
Is it just me living in the past? Okay, moving on. For dinner, we're feeling like we're gonna have, you know, a pizza and salad moment. Big ass salad. You're gonna be like, B, is that a salad for your whole entire family? No, girl, it's just for me. I'm gonna eat it all. So let's bake that. Let's do that. Okay, so 4 ingredients for our salad. We got some baby spinach, blue cheese crumbles, cauliflower florets, this crack baggie full of sliced almonds, a beautiful tomato, some red onion, some dried cranberries, and then the piece de la resistance, the Primal Kitchen balsamic vinaigrette with avocado oil. So good. For the ingredients for the pizza, I found this flatbread that I'm going to be substituting for the crust. It has 13 whole grains, 10 grams of fiber, 7 grams of protein, and it's the Italian herb flavor, so I figured it's perfect for pizza, and it's only 90 calories. And then you know we have the mozzarella cheese. I mean, that's just the given. I bought this pizza sauce when I was at the store. I normally make my own, but I figured just for convenience sake, we'll try this one out. And then for toppings, we have artichoke heart and pineapple. And yes, pineapple belongs on pizza. You know what doesn't belong on my pizza? Your opinions. Let me live my life. I'm sorry. I just get a little bit flustered when I talk about things I'm passionate about. But anyway, so we're going to slap the flatbread out on this pan that has seen better days. We're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're just going to let that get nice and toasty. And we're going to move on to our salad. Again, weighing everything out, we're going to add 1/2 ounce of the cranberries, 1/2 ounce of the almonds, 1 ounce of blue cheese crumbles, our veggies. I forgot to mention I also put deli meat in my salad. And then we almost burned our pizza crust, so we go ahead and pulled that out of the oven. It's a little bit crispy there on that end. but should be fine. Now we'll just finish up the salad real quick. Add the spinach, the main component of the salad. Then we have to be very careful adding our salad dressing so we get exactly an ounce, because sometimes you go a little crazy when you're pouring things and you can't really take it out once you put it in. Now back to the pizza. Slap 1/4 of a cup of sauce down on there. Add your cheese, add your topping, and then you throw it back in the oven for a little bit just so everything can get warm and acquainted. That cheese get nice and melty. Yes. And that's the meal. I figured I'd eat dinner outside just because it's so nice. And I'm super excited about all this. I don't ever cut my pizza, I just kind of like inch it off the side. We did burn it a little bit, but it's still good. Gotta get the ultimate bite. We gotta get some spinach, some onion, cauliflower chunk, cranberry. Where you at? Girl, you have not lived a life until you've had dried cranberry and blue cheese crumbles in a salad. 3 chef kisses. I just realized I didn't film me eating my first meal, which was probably a good thing. Like, honestly, I don't know if that's something that you want to see, is like me eating. I can't eat cute. I mean, I don't know how like people who do mukbangs and stuff do it. It's so hard. I'm sorry, I eat like a wildebeest. It was actually funny, I was on a date one time. This guy took me to this hamburger place. I was just eating like normal. Like, I was trying to be like a little bit more like dainty. But like, how dainty could you be with a hamburger? And he was just like, I like the way you eat. It's not like most girls are on a first date where like they just order a salad and kind of pick at it. And like, I was offended. Because I thought I was eating daintily. Boy, you should see me eat this salad right now. Some people's children, I tell you. But anyway, I won't subject you to my poor table manners. I'll finish this up and then I'll see you in the next, whatever we do next. So I just got back from like a pretty leisurely walk. I think I was only gone 20 minutes or so, but it is not 8 p.m. yet and we have some calories left. So we're gonna have a couple of these Dove Promises, 4 to be exact. I love having these on hand just because like if I have some extra calories left at the end of the day, I like having like a little sweet thing. I've been really into dark chocolate lately. I don't know why. And they have like these cute little sayings on them. When life isn't going right, go left. That's how I figure Halia S in South Dakota would say that. But just to kind of like break down the day a little bit more, I eat 1,555 calories a day. Well, I try to hit that. I was like a little bit shy today. Some days I'm just not like that hungry. And also I went over my protein goal today. Protein keeps you really satiated. So far, this whole diet thing hasn't felt like a diet at all. I don't have any cravings. And I literally don't feel deprived at all. Like, I mean, I'm eating chocolate right now. Granted, it's everything in moderation. And you know, like some things like pizza, I'm finding healthier alternatives for. So I don't know, like I feel like this is going really well. But so yeah, I'm just gonna finish these little chocolate morsels and relax for the rest of the night. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you want to support the struggle, you're always welcome to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!